Well, Governor Bullock announced this week that nursing homes and assisted living facilities can begin allowing visitors again. Despite that, it may be a while before visitors can actually go to see their loved ones. With more on the story, here's MTN's Matt HOLZAPFEL.
On Thursday, Governor Steve Bullock announced that nursing homes and assisted living centers could start allowing visitors back inside, given they follow certain social distancing and health guidelines. But when I spoke to several different nursing homes, including the Grand View at Benefis behind me, it doesn't sound like they're planning on allowing visitors inside anytime soon.
Moving forward, these facilities may allow visitors in accordance with CMS guidelines and after notifying both residents and family members.
Despite the governor's updated directive, the responsibility to put a plan in place for allowing visitors back in falls on senior care officials.
This is not one of the times we're going to be the first to open up. We're going to look at this very measured and very safely to make sure that we're very prudent for our residents and keep them as safe as possible.
That's causing concern among some family members.
So now this time has gone by, they haven't been outside, they can't see their friends.
Sue Sargent's mom is one of a number of residents who have been isolated on Benefis West's senior services floor. Sue hasn't seen her mom in over 100 days, and now she's worried about her mental health as well as her physical.
They couldn't even have contact with their friends. And so after 3 weeks of them still being in that situation, I started to write letters to the governor and to the head of senior services and voiced my concern.
When she heard the governor's new directive,
my heart was full. I was so excited.
Sue stressed that she isn't asking for everyone to be allowed in for visits right away, just for people like her mom to have a little more freedom. David says many of the decisions his team has had to make weren't easy.
There's many concerns about not being able to see their loved ones on both sides, residents seeing their families and the families not being able to see their residents. Very hard decisions had to be made to have this happen, but it is the right thing to do.
Benefis, Goldstone Assisted Living, and Highgate Senior Living are just a few facilities that have said they will take their time and be cautious when deciding how to let visitors back in. That's exactly what people like Sue are afraid of.
I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't even happen until August 1st. You know, that they go that slow and that cautious about it.
On one hand, some people are excited to see family members they haven't seen in months. But on the other, people are concerned that with the recent spike in COVID-19 cases in Montana, now is not the best time to start allowing visitors back into these places. In Great Falls, Matt HOLZAPFEL, MTN News.